YouTube, what's going on? Skywise back on the video, and today we're going to be taking the Camaro ZL1 to a big car show. It's a back to school car show. There's going to be a shit ton of cars, and it's at a gun range, so interesting enough. Anyways, let's get to it. I'm getting too old for this. Shit, man, that always puts a smile on my face, man. The LT4. Oh my gosh. Alright. Let it warm up for a minute once we get out into the drive. Oh, sheesh. My boy. Alright, Grayson, get in there. Gotta get y'all buckled up. Sitting down low, huh? Because according to my dad, it is packed. Better take my hat off the top. Don't want to lose this fucking gem. Anyways, let's get off to it. Let's head up there. What do you think? You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Let's hope we can get a spot. Alright guys, so we're almost there. We're about to be pulling in, so let's see what's going on. We do have some inclement weather, some nice weather going on for this. So it is looking a little packed. I don't know if we're going to park in the overflow lot, which would be over there, or if we're going to try to get in the main lot. Not too sure. There is a shit ton of people. It looks like they're getting ready to leave. So, got the Super gang out here. The Supra. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna park in the overflow lot, I think. So that was a shit ton of people. It looks like people are thinking they're gonna rip out of there, but unfortunately with the amount of traffic, I don't think that's gonna happen. Plus, we're in a city that is just known for police presence, so yeah. That will let y'all. He don't want you banging no cars or nothing. Yeah, we parked a little bit in a low-key spot. I ain't parking well, I'm fucking gremlins. Come on, this way. That's a lot of people. There's the police already. Yeah, there's a lot of ruckus going on here. These kids, you can tell it's summer break. So, hell yeah, brother. Come on, brother. Let's cross. A lot of cars. DRZ. Out the scat bag. What's going on? There's the police again. Just police fucking with people. Evo right there. Well, this is actually pretty good. This is well organized. Damn, it's a nice turnout. Gotta find my dad. Damn, son. Let's go over here. Nice cars in there, man. Another Evo. I fucking love Evos. Fucking love Evos. Damn. Gotta find my dad, man. I don't know where he's at. Where's Pops? Pops is out here somewhere. Yeah, another scat bag. I used to have a scat bag. Come on, Grayson. Yes, sir. Another Charlie. I don't know where. Oh, there's my dad. Out the dump truck. Hell yeah. Come on, Grayson. Camaro. It's a really nice fucking turnout. A lot better than a lot of the car shows we go to. Fucking Lambo. I should just trade all my shit.
Holy shit. NLE. Here's my damn cars that are leaving. There were a lot of pulling. There was a lot of crowds at the door and stuff.
Yeah, that dude gave me a pass.
IROC blue. Nice turnout. It's a nice Mustang. These people in the Miata. Hell yeah, brother. Not bad.
Where'd you bring yours over?
Corsa. Got the Shelby Stang. Camaro over there up in the lot.
It's a really nice car show, but it's situated in a city where it's just, there's a lot of police presence. These police are hard over here.
BMW right.
The S1000R. It's a really nice turnout. It's a really nice turnout.
More Beamers.
See that?
Yeah. Smoking.
Fuck yeah, the wheels are off the front.
Swagging. Like I said earlier in the video, this is where we're at. So, awesome. Look at all these people. They want to see some action. They want to see somebody crash or something. Those are nice. I wouldn't buy that. WRX with the STI wing on it. The bikes. Hell yeah.
Actually a really good turnout. I think this is a great show. I mean, this is one of the better ones I've been to this year so far.
Some more bikes.
It's kind of odd venue, but especially for a back-to-school car show. But hell yeah, brother, right? I think it's one of the best things this year, just to, especially with COVID coming to an end, just to get out and just go to some local car shows and get out and see some cars from your community, see what people build, put together. It's always nice to see what people do, you know, the work people put in their cars, and the achievements. Respect all builds, right?
That's so fun. Man, that was like just some nice pops.
That's how people get fucking shit.
Nice, man.
I respect the mixture between muscle cars and like more modern cars and foreign cars. It's always a nice mix being able to see them all in one spot, one show. The show's not geared towards a specific car.
That sounded fucking good. Look at the tires on the back end. Look how wide those tires are on the back end. My dad's car. Look at the wrap on the Mercedes. Look at all these people.
This little car show. It's the second one we've been to in the past week. People still doing burnouts out there and shit. Oh, another Lambo. Hell yeah. Take it easy over that bump. I'll roll over that shit like I'm in my Razor. Yeah, there's a lot of people there. Alright, YouTube. Hell yeah. So anyways, that was a nice car show we went to. Maybe next time we'll take the STI to the next car show, but that was the second one we went to this week. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and like the channel. We post car content and short content every day on a daily basis. Keep on the lookout for more content, and hell yeah, brother.